I want to highlight a story of a young person. We're going to call him Rafael. And Rafael is a youngster in our youth employment programs. And he is one of 6 in his family, mom and dad and siblings. They had experienced a decrease in work. They're all agricultural workers, mom and dad, and the older young people. And they were extremely sensitive and worried about ICE and immigration situations because the whole family is undocumented. They were dealing with lack of food, inability to pay their rent, the younger siblings not in school. You could see just the level of impacts on this one family. COVID, as horrible as the situation is for our community, has also shown light on the disparities that exist with the communities that we serve. The distance between people and the systems that are there to support them, if a system existed, was greater. The structures that were in place for families in the community didn't work for undocumented families. And so we needed to create different bridges to help bring support. I want to highlight that this opportunity to help the community in this way allowed for my agency to think about better ways of serving the community. And we brought on some Indigenous speakers as staff and as contractors to help us communicate. One of the things that we learned in this process, again, is how far away some of our families are to systems and support. And in the farthest ends are those people who don't speak English or Spanish. Our staff person, who is a Mixteco fluent speaker, explained a process. Can you imagine teaching a family who doesn't speak English or Spanish, who does have no access to technology, to how to navigate and create a pathway to get the resources to them? And I got to witness that, how our staff built trust, build tools, shared tools, described things in ways that I don't understand, to ensure that that family got help. We helped with over $20,000 to $30,000 of rental assistance every month for the last 4 months. That's keeping families who would have never gotten rental assistance support in their homes with their families. I have to express the gratitude, one, that I get to see what the impacts are. I get to see this, I get to see and hear the stories of how this support is helping our community. You know, you don't get to see that every day, right? I get to see it. I get to see our staff doing everything they need to do to help people, right? I get to see how systems, the community foundation, the donors that support you, the donors that support CAB, have rallied to do something. So thank you.